Hi guys, this is Mandy. This is part 1 of 3 summer hacks using essential oils. There are just so many ways to use essential oils this summer, so let's just get right into it. So the first one is natural sunburn relief, aloe lavender ice cubes. Pop up a cube and rub it directly on the skin, or you can rub it first in a cotton cloth. It feels really cool and relaxing once you rub it on, and it brings relief instantly. This is what you need: an ice cube tray, aloe vera juice, gel or the actual plant, and lavender essential oil. Hack 2 is perfect for spraying on feet or shoes. It's also antibacterial, antifungal and softening. This is what you need: a spray bottle, equal parts of distilled water and rubbing alcohol, 8 drops of tea tree essential oil, 8 drops of peppermint essential oil, and 8 drops of lavender essential oil. The third one is a homemade bug spray, which is kid safe. This spray won't harm the bugs, it will just keep them away from you. Since this is a natural spray, you will have to apply every hour or so. What you need is a spray bottle, equal parts of water and witch hazel, 4 drops of citronella, 4 drops of lemongrass, 4 drops of peppermint, and 8 drops of lavender essential oil. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the first part of 3 summer hacks with essential oils, and I will see you in part 2.